First thing we're gonna do, we got water on the floor. Our pressure is looking good. Okay, where'd the water come from? Okay. So there, definitely looks like a leaking backflow preventer. Gotcha. That's a relief valve. All right, so we always want to find the bell looking thing, which is the pressure reducing valve, backflow preventer, and shut off. We're gonna drain down pressure. To do so, the house, the apartment is off. So all these zone valves are shut. No need to mess with these. And then we can get our